Guys, welcome back again. So this time we will be working on some other exercises. So we will be working on the value function exercises of DAX. So this is the exercise where we have to create the DAX measure to reference a disconnected slicer in Power BI desktop report. So you can download this file, just click here and then the file will get downloaded. I have already downloaded the file. So this is the file as you can see in and now let's see what it is saying. It's saying that import the country picker worksheet. So I've already imported the country picker worksheet, which is this one, where we have name of the countries, different countries here. And then it's saying that the newly reported table does not have any relationship to others table in model. Okay, let's check if it is having any relationship. Yeah, it is having relationship with country table. So what we need to do, we need to delete this relation from here. So what I will do, I will just go here and click delete and then delete. Okay, after deleting this, we will add a slicer visual and assign the country name. Okay, we will go here, we will add one slicer and we will take country name from here. So when we are clicking on this, nothing is getting populated, like nothing is getting filtered out. Okay, check that this slicer doesn't apply filter. Yes, it's working. Create a measure which work out the average height of the building and then subtract the average height of the building for the country name in selected year. You can use selected value. Okay. So what we can do, we can here add measure. If I add new measure called average height, then it would be selected. If I click selected value, column name, now we can just take the average of height, building height, enter. And so what we will be doing, we will be adding this average height measure in the values and we are getting the values here. And now in the problem we had to add one more measure, which is average height versus selected country. So let's make one more measure called average height selected country. So whatever country selected in the filter, so it should give the what it should give, it should give the country, and the country displays them. Okay, average height for building and then subtracting the average height of building for the country name that is selected. So it's saying that first take the average height, which is this one, and then it's saying that take the average height, okay, where country name, so we have taken country name from country picker, is equal to selected value, whatever we have selected in our country picker country name, enter. So if I drag this down to here, okay, now it's giving us 0 for everywhere. Let's just verify once what's happening here. If you see here why this is not working, where we have taken that country picker country name is equal to country picker name. So if you go on this chart and you can see the country here. The country we are taking from a different sheet. So what we will do, instead of country picker sheet, we will just take the country here, country name, like country, and enter. And we will remove this and enter. Now you can see if I'm clicking on China, if I click on China, then the average height should be 0 here. Yeah, and see comparison to China, what other heights are there. You can add data bars also here, and you can click OK. You can see that most difference is in this Saudi Arabia with China, and if I click on Saudi Arabia, then these are in the minus. So that's how you solve this. And to check if we are getting accurate values or not, we can click on China and then see for Indonesia, are we getting minus 28 or not. So we can click on China for Indonesia minus 28. Yes, we are getting. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.